discriminate just because we're black and comely. Because we're proud, we're black and comely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Lord of mercy, mercy, mercy.
Yo. Zaga. Right about now, introducing another DJ, another MC, Tukona Ziggy, alongside MC Bontikila. That was a Yodo, alongside MC Bigating. Right about now, gear level number 2, Senior Tunanza, Alibaus, Selector, One The Thing Day.
Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship, but when I reached Jamaica,
I made a song.
But I'm
sad to see. Well on. Yeah, man. We go Selector Yodo, we go MC Bigger Things anytime, anywhere. Right now, it's all about Jamaica nights on a Friday night. Right in a Soulful Lounge. We got DJ Ziggy. Enter, come down. Easy no man. Wale wa Joey kidogo
Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship, but when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say, I'm on my way, won't be back.
How many days?
My heart is down,
My head is running around
I have to leave a little girl
in a Soulful Lounge.
Down in the market, you
Nice and slow.
ladies cry out while on their heads they bear.
Yeah.
Ackee rice, saltfish and ice, and the rum is fine anytime we hear. Lord, I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back.
DJ Ziggy and Bunchy right now in a
My
combination.
heart is down, my head is
Sit back, enjoy your time, enjoy your money in Nairobi.
In Kingston town.
Yo! Wale wa sisa itisha sawa. Masandio yo.
Block my story. Block my story. Not his story. Block my story. Block my story. Block my story.
Yahoo!
Not his story.
Black man still right now.
Block my story.
Take you way back time, roots and culture.
From education to civilization, from astrology straight to biology. Block my story. Block my story.
Yahoo!
Not his story.
Yes, man, nice and easy to you.
Block my story.
Easy no man.
African glory.
Chigwansi, yeah.
African glory.
Yahoo! Yahoo!
What you want to see?
DJ Ziggy.
African liberty.
Ziggy Dance.
Temptation got a thing trying
To keep me away from your glory. You know what's Bunchy? So long I wanna sing a song, I wanna tell them of your glory. Roots and culture.
Let the sun come shining through. It can make the world
We brand new.
and the things that they do will be there.
And to me answer song. Skia.
Time, and after every action,
There must be some reaction.
I got to get mine.
Satisfaction.
While you're digging a hole, dig one, dig two, one for me. Aye. This is about this band, you know, right now, the Heights is original. Let's go, Jack Glory, get a family in Nairobi. Sulfur Idea, Jamaica Nights, up and running, I tell ya. Easy.
Temptation got a thing trying to keep me away from Jah glory.
Look at this mix there.
So long I wanna sing my song, I wanna tell them of Jah glory.
Choo-choo.
Let the sun come shine.
MC Beanie Boys there, same way, big up.
And make the world feel brand new.
Right.
And the things that they do will be there to convict
Police Konya.
all the time. And after every action,
There must be some reaction.
I've got to get my satisfaction.
You know.
And when you're digging, hold, dig one, dig two.
One for me, one for you.
Don't let it keep your mind and thoughts away.
It's an alley bounce, easy.
Got to be there on time.
In the meantime now, select some honor.
From you wrong, you're wrong now. Not true, you are not TJ.
Big up Super House Kimball in there. Big up.
Partial, you know, no. Cause you're not partial, no.
Select a song this there, same song.
Partial, no, man.
Right.
Even if you are a baller, even a not TJ.
Who's the suits is there?
From you wrong,
Welcome
you're
here
wrong
then.
now. Cause you're not partial, no, man. You're not partial, no, man.
Ziggy Dance, come again. Hii masani ya kurembesha taratibu Izamali bawa Ziggy and Bonchi. Aitaki pupa.
From you wrong, you're wrong now. Not true, you are not TJ. I won't partial, you know, no. Cause you're not partial, no, man. You're not partial, no, man.
Nice and easy.
Even if you are a baller, even a not TJ.
MC Big is there.
From you wrong, you're wrong now. Cause you're not partial, no, man.
Hit song ready to present to the Celia.
Partial, no, man. Even if you are a pastor, even an evangelist, goes around with the word of God. You're wrong, you're wrong,
Okay, Ziggy.
you're wrong, no, yeah.
Ziggy. Run play. We got Silver Selection.
It's good for you to do all the good you can. All the good you can.
Meanwhile, what the good you can, to all the people you can, even the rich and the poor. And if your friend is down, give him a helping hand.
And if your enemy is down and out, give him a helping hand.
Because the good you do always live with you.
It always open the way to carry you through.
Soon again.
Yes, brothers and sisters, in this job you've done, it's good for you to do all the good you can.
Ukibarikiwa, jaribu kusaidia pia Very nice.
Do all the good you can, to all the people you can, to the young and old,
I tell you,
even the rich and poor. Yes, if your friend is down, give him a helping hand. And if your enemy is down and out, give him a helping hand.
everybody, the good you do always live with you.
It always open the way
But tumeanza we,
carry you through life.
it's a city, come down.
Do all the good you can, to all the people you can. Yes, if your friend is down, give him a helping hand. If your enemy is down now, give him a helping hand.
Yeah. Only help those who try to help themselves. Somebody jump. Only help those who try to help themselves. Kwa hii maisha kunya, you see something you want. Piga hustle, brother. Try to do what? Cause time was for no man, and that's reality.
The earliest bird catch the most.
Easy.
As you can see, I'm singing Jah. Only help those who try to help themselves.
Somebody try. Only help those who try to help themselves. Right.
Standing on the corner,
Listen, Alana.
wasting
Lazima ujisaidie ndio Mungu akusaidie, brother.
begging for a dance.
Wejua. Eh?
Hey, while the sun shines and you
Lazima ujisaidie ndio Mwenyezi Mungu akusaidie zaidi,
was spoken by the old man is the words of the
Reggae.
wise and him said, Jah, only help those who try to help themselves.
Wow.
Jah, only help those who try. I have been a hopper, I've been up and down.
Imagine
I have been in and I've been out.
introduce the jungle boy, Rico Balansana.
You were the one who
Oh my.
eased my pain.
Bonchi
So I'm indebted.
to you. How are you doing?
You do the things
Imagine
that
it.
I really want to do. You play the game that I really love to play. But I gave you nothing in return.
Taratibu mdogo mdogo sawa.
Indebted to you.
Ayandika barua
I got your letter.
on Monday. But I couldn't reply
I got another.
on Tuesday.
But I couldn't
It's a Ziggy and Bonsi right now.
recall writing.
A little bit later.
Couldn't say everything that I have my mind to say.
Sulpan sooner.
No writing a little bit later. Couldn't say everything that I have got
Hey, masani ya kupiga matinzi wambie tuko sulfa sawa. Masani ya kupin location bro. Come on sulfa launch. Come on. Innocence blood. Easy no man, somebody.
Innocent blood shed down there. Tell us something, yeah. 1 year after slavery, the people.
Alafu kwa wale wanajua reggae na sisa usika. Sisa ndani ya party wejua bei nafuu.
John William God was justice of the peace.
Look at Kimberly Ponits.
During that time.
Yes man. This is a mighty culture right now.
So he sent a breath for some of his men.
Josephine Ponits.
Come and minister unto them to see what they can do.
Let us call innocent blood, get a familiar man.
And because he did such a good,
Right.
they catch him and the man can bring the cotton tree. Oh. Man, if you think I lie, I tell. Take a look up on the $10 bill.
We got mix it here.
There you can see him with his neck.
Kids on entertainment, see them there.
There he was on with his eyes.
Let me see Biggie anytime. Hey, Bombay, Bombay. Innocence blood. Ziggy. Ziggy dance. In the meantime now, sulfur. Answer. Ay, ay, ay. Send another Bob Marley man. Again and say, listen, another Bob Marley. Easy. Yeah man, sing and sing the mighty highly cool as original. Ali bounce.
He published a radio song to comfort the hearts of all nations. He went down to Africa and free people out of sin.
Okay, DJ.
He was such a great man.
Yes, Ziggy.
King of the
On the same topic, you know.
so say another Bob Marley.
Another one.
Send Jaja. Send.
Another who?
Another Moses.
Imagine.
He's right here. Hey, another Exodus of Jah people.
Yeah, so right about now,
Going across.
all the finding fellas of the Gladiators band. This is a man called Apo Gabriel right now.
Nativity coast. Running the head a number.
Easy.
Arise from your sleep. Arise from your slumber. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done.
Niko na watu yangu ya Forex,
Earth
crypto.
as in Mount Zion.
Bigo konya dia.
We run Babylon.
Jamaco Trading.
Hot a fire a come.
Aye.
Run a Babylon, you feel run. Till you tumble down. There is no hiding.
Hey, Konya Market kwa leo.
Almighty, I'm saying, gonna keep your tone.
Hey, wale masapos ndani ya Pacifico Konya.
Don't sweat it, cause just say
What's wrong your crypto forex?
Jah at the control.
Them there. Okay, Ziggy Nuts.
I need your love, not just for an hour.
Emotional.
Permanent lover. And there is something so
We got to run cool. This is a cool ruler right now.
what I discover.
We got to answer the Isis original. Let's go to Permanent Lover.
Now getting to know you more and more
Ali Bounce.
will make me respond to you.
Setting the mood for the night, man. Ziggy and Bunchy.
I need a lover.
Yeah.
I need you when the lights are low. I need you when the breeze starts to
If
blow.
I am
I
guilty.
need you when the moon shines.
Yeah.
I need someone to resurrect my love.
Then I will
need a
pay.
lover, not for an hour. I need a permanent lover. Someone who will be in control.
It must surely grown long time, so we no have no food. Oh yeah. One of the baddest band, the burning soul. Must surely ground seeker. Ocean owner. Soon again, aye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Inapigwa kisarabu, skiza. Hey, kiwarabu bro. Polite. We are have no. Nice Skandana. Right. Okay, DJ man. Anytime. Let's go.
When you're blessed and you're rising on to trample upon the poor.
Ain't no supply to comes from.
Now remember, respect and be humble as you enjoy your gains.
Out supply to comes from.
After pride come fall, Jaja gave you warning. After pride come fall.
Nilikuambia punguza kiburi ubarikiwe na Nisa.
Pick it, don't forget it. After pride come fall.
Punguza kiburi ubarikiwe na
Know
Nisa.
you're busting cause you're rising on.
Reggae out of Kenya.
After pride come fall.
Reggae Jesus man. This is Marco Sunfish Freeze original.
You're bigger than Goliath with the mighty strength. But a David come fall.
Niceness.
You Powerful like Pharaoh cannot let your people go, so the plagues come for hey.
Hey, sir.
Ooh, your mankind don't forget no. The power and the might you get that from Lord God. Oh, your mankind don't forget, yeah. You wait for a season, then you come tumble down. You're blessed and you're rising on to trample upon the poor. After pride come fall. Now remember, respect and be humble as you enjoy your game.
And after pride comes fall.
After pride come fall. Jaja give you warning. After pride come fall.
After pride comes full, man.
Come fall.
For real, for sure.
After pride come fall. I know you're busting cause you're rising down to.
Okay, meanwhile,
after pride come fall.
our beats are on. Yeah, man, this sphere always burn. This space burning sphere. This is African teacher if you don't know. Living legend. Burning sphere.
One of them come, two of them come, three of them
DJ Sus there. You got bigger scenes there.
come. They not cool in the town. They not cool in the town. Ethiopian town.
Sunday, baby.
Ethiopian
Do the select Sunday.
in the town.
Super host man of Rio there. Welcome Ayada. Yo! Wala 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 wacha. Everybody now.
The whole of them a
Kumbala. Man, I just feel I tell ya. Let's call Kumbolo. Some hard roots, man, take you way back time, roots and culture. Say. Well, you want to reggae someone when I live outside here? Kumbalo.
People like them eat and bread.
Eat and bread.
Eat and bread. Eat and bread.
Nice and slow. In the meantime, Ziggy Dust.
I just wanna get some
Satisfaction.
I just can't stand this kind of situation. Yeah.
I just wanna get so. Hey, what's up, pressa, brother, sister? Don't you dance and reggae dance, so Jamaica nights. Yeah, man, sit back, enjoy your time, enjoy your space, enjoy your drink. We just get excited, man. Get into the mood of reggae music Friday nights. Jamaica we day. Get a Ziggy, my name Bonsi. So we kill them dead. Satisfaction, Wapi Konya Skia. Right about now. So what you do? You bright side of mine. Who are you? You are a part of my life. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Konya. As I rise. Aha. The body, I know. Sunrise to sunsets. You see this girl. You are a part of my life. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Sunrise to sunset. You brighten my day. You are a part of my life. Morning time. As I rise, get so far away from home. As I rise in the morning time, you rise with me, girl. Wandering out there, you stick close to me. Your love is so mystic. In a kwanga ya Konya, Achievers collection them there. Konya, you bright side mine. Talk to them.
You feel like honey. I do good. Live until the loving day. It's hard to feel. Live until like honey. I do good feel. Hey, Laniva, till you lie.
Of course, I love you.
Yes, I love you.
I love you too. And I never
make you cry.
Everybody.
Yes, I love you. Girl, I never tell you lie. Yes, I love you. And I never make you cry. Yes, I love you.
Yeah, man, so what you need? If you need me, baby,
I'm right by your side.
Imagine
you can count on me.
To all the lovers in Daba, dedication to you.
Don't baby slippery.
Wow.
I need to make you slide. You see me be rough, baby, and you could find.
I'll never make you cry, baby girl. So I'll never
tell you lie.
In the meantime,
yes, I love you. And I never make you cry. Yes, I love you. Will I never tell you lie? Yes, I love you. And I never make you cry. Yes, I love you. So one morning in one morning light,
what she do?
She looked as sweet as she could. But when she said she'd made him
right,
but now she is gone.
Right, someone now.
But now she
is gone. She's gone, she's gone, she's gone. You see this girl? She broke my heart for another guy. Say,
and she broke my heart for another guy.
Say what?
For another guy, for another guy.
Aye, the guy is on now. Information has been leaking so fast. Helikini Solomon Dio scusa.
So one morning in one morning light, she looked as sweet as she could. But when she said she'd made him, but now she is.
Oh yeah, DJ Siggy.
But
now say what, bro? Ziggy, usaitokwa dadi.
She broke my heart for another guy.
Sema.
And she broke my heart for another guy.
Who that?
For another guy. A guy you under crushing.
Hapo mtani. Information nasbi. Sema we. Sema. Meantime.
Standing on a corner,
what you do?
Sipping a glass of wine, a spliff in my hand and a gun in my waist. I think I was doing fine.
I wish I knew.
I didn't know
the danger
that was about to come
until
I felt it
on my head. It was everybody.
But I'm alright now. Said I learned my lesson well.
So never you make such a bad reputation. Hey, wakusikia sikia walai.
No.
Tumeona wengi.
Do you any good?
Cry my lippy daddy. No. It was.
Do you any good?
Yes sir.
Well, I didn't know what happened after, as I was knocked right out of my mind.
Hey, kwanza kwa hii reggae.
Came around and found
tumeona wengi.
Sitting in a prison.
Weka ndenga chini brother.
And some are
crime sipo, cry my lippy.
Thinking of my reckless life.
If you know, you know.
Some kick in my face.
By reputation.
Guys, I think I was going to die.
Cause I'm
alright now.
Sit down.
Learned my lesson well. Never you make such a bad reputation. It won't be very good. No.
It can't be broken. So sweet. Of course I love you. I don't know what to do. I Lumbu yes right about now, Nairobi. Yes. Mi ukupenda mami, I'm so in love with you, and I don't know what to do. Oh sad, oh sad, easy. Konya. Nigga Kimbalina. This is Konya. It's in the party big up.
Them always use one
to do what?
To bring us down. Yeah. Them always use one of us to mash us down. I tell you
what we do.
All it takes
is a licky
one, and it takes
in that touchy mouth
to reveal that is secret.
The meditation is
time you know where I'm going. In a Babylon. Time you know earth runnings.
Deeper.
In a Babylon.
Say.
They need to build you up. They need to bring you down. And so they build you up. And so they bring you down. That's the running in a Babylon. Oh, that's the running
in a Babylon.
And them always use
alafu zigi ni aje esi tuko Ali Bounce
them
I talk him you.
one of us to mash us down. I tell
You know.
the princess every day, you have this little smile on your face.
But Bouncy, it's a pity you don't know.
I go test your faith.
Ay, 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 ay.
It's a good thing I know of your little plan.
G.I. right about now.
Seems you really wanna capture the heart.
Reggae Bill la presa away. C'est maze.
No rushings, no rushings. Now go play no rushing.
Soul for launch Friday nights. No rushings, no rushing. No rushings for me, girl. Things I used to do, I ain't gonna do them no more. Whoa.
No rushings, no rushing.
You know better.
Rushings from me, girl.
Talk to me, Nairobi.
Things I used to do, I ain't gonna do them no more.
Yes,
No
I.
more. Not gonna let every girl I meet knock upon my door.
Roots and culture.
No rushings, no rushings. Not a play, no rushing. Oh no.
Yeah, no rushings, no rushings.
Break the bonds of and cast the cause away from us. If you wanna live,
Then do what?
treat me good.
If you wanna sell,
And if you wanna live, I beg you treat me good.
Bones in the Okila Nairobi.
I'm like a walking razor, don't you watch
Bonesy,
my
I'm dangerous, so dangerous.
I'm like a walking razor.
This is Ziggy, big bad dangerous.
I'm dangerous. If you want to
So again,
right now I come to burn down Babylon.
this is Marco Bushman, original.
Saying let us break the bonds of sun and cast the cause away from our
Tangu Zamani, Chumbada.
treat me.
Wangapo nakumbuka hii.
And if you wanna live, I beg you treat me good.
So who are you?
I'm like a walking razor, don't you watch
So far,
I'm
dangerous.
I'm dangerous.
Yeah.
I'm like a walking razor, don't you watch my signs? I'm dangerous. I'm dangerous. If you are a bully, treat me good. And if you are a bully, treat me good.
Zig and Bones in a combo.
I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my
Everybody
signs? I'm
dangerous.
I'm dangerous. I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my signs? I'm dangerous. I'm dangerous. If you want to stop
Me take a look in at the land of Jamaica and see and no separation develop, yeah. Me rally back in at the land of Jamaica. No rights and justice. When we see big fish, I see a have a shark for himself. And I left poor people like a battle pan shelf. Tell them use we so them refuse with them look we with a sound. Suck off everything or wrap the baby just spawn. Poke off your shirt from dust till dawn. When Friday come, them take off like storm. True, them no angry, poor people bomb. Like them no know say slavery days gone. Me take a look in at the land of Jamaica and see enough separation develop, yeah. Me rally back in at the land of Jamaica. No rights and them say come country make monkey root is supposed look how the youth them face panic and orange up like a must. Can't get no job hungry just stop. Rich people a grab. No love for the sufferers, look how them left the youth to rap. Like time them gonna bed pan hungry belly. Wake up now the morning can't find a cup of tea. Them have no mercy no one they get the beginning. That's why the youth them not showing no pity. Me take a look in at the land of Jamaica and see enough separation develop, yeah. Me rally
Yes, I'm black, but I hate be turning back.
No rights and justice.
Our forefathers worked the fields in burning sun. They sweat and strain. But we all get to say we won't do it again. 'Cause now that we've realized that oh so long we've been hypnotized, we've suffered day and night, but still stand upright. Yes, my skin is black, so when you see me come, you can't turn your back. There ain't gonna be, there'll never be a man like me. Sing it, brothers.
Yes, my skin is black. So when you see me come, you can't turn your back. There ain't gonna be, there'll never be a man like me. If ever they made a slip, they'd be corrected by the wheel. But we are glad to say that won't happen again. 'Cause now that it's our turn to take the lead, 'cause we have learned.
Apogeto, we suffer day and night, but sis and uprights. Yes, my skin is black. So if you see me come, you don't turn your back. I ain't gonna be, there never be a man like Sulpan Sulman.
Yes, my skin
is
black. So when you see me come,
It's a much better plan.
Select a man.
And it's so good for me.
You're not see, not see. Just so funny.
All kind of things is planned.
In your mapedi, banana and the pumpkin.
A lot of vegetables.
In your doctor mixes some way. You got to till up the soil
and keep the youths them alive.
Konya.
You know we loves it organic.
Unawasanga nini?
The Rasta man no deal with crime.
What you do?
DJ Lux plant.
Oya Ziggy msanii amesema kuna wakulima wa yams, banana na cassava. Alafu kuna wakulima wa sensi minya tufanani. Not farming.
All kind of things is planted.
Ipande
banana
and the pumpkin.
A lot of vegetables.
Si wakulima alime. You got to till up
the soil.
Yeah.
And keep the youths them alive.
This is Ali 16.
You know we loves it organic.
Right so about now.
The Rasta man no deal with crime.
You know what?
DJ Lux planting up the cali. He's going up the butts for everybody.
Tafuta pedi.
They travel over hills
and the valley. It's just to get the good sense. It comes straight from the field. Is what we, you know,
farming up the land.
It's such a massive plan, yeah.
Propagation of the land, yeah.
Buddha.
You know it's good for man.
Skiza.
It's better for the man. Organic, no hydroponic. It's organic,
Anytime.
We know what no nice time. Do you, yeah. Think about that. Fine. We know what no nice time. Do you, yeah. Think about that.
This is my one.
This is my home.
Sinacheli to
rock you stay.
Bonsi, I gave you love.
Anytime you're
Yeah, my different styling.
be still falling.
Nice time.
Just won't let me be. I'm gonna rock you now.
Hey, ayo dolo lazima tupige Ali Bounce kwani. Time.
We know I'm
No nice time. So do you, yeah.
think about that.
Right. It's getting better. Ziggy dance. You Ziggy. Mambo body.
Don't matter what the time, don't matter what the weather. You dance with the boy called Johnny Bentella. You model with the girl called
Nancy Fiorida. You should have
see we are
when she was born.
born in the era of 53. My mother was so glad I was a
What she say?
so she gave by the name.
You lead so bunchy.
Up to 83 they never
As you can see, man,
but now you can see
I am a
my MC. So operator for me. Bam salute and
what's up, Pumpy?
that's my daddy.
Ay, pangusa fanya nini we? Hello? This is Manko Eric Dance original. Jungle Dreddy, man. So far,
Don't matter what the time,
no matter about the weather.
you dance with the boy called Johnny Bentella. You model with the girl called Matty Fairweather.
Ziggy in the story of Bonzi. I was born
In the era of 53, my mother was so glad I was a
Listen, Kinley,
so she
give her the name a little Bonzi.
up to 83.
They never recognize me. As you can see, I am a Michael Cecil.
Touch up the key operator.
Everybody,
Bam salute and
what's up, Pumpy?
that's my daddy and
Full and deadly. Big and no sema. Oh yeah.
I have a sparring partner, they call Mr. Wade.
If
We go to school,
it was
after head, teacher write on the blackboard and we copy on the slate. He say, boy, this is crap to run down, go leave your feet. That to I am the cross you
you go feel out there.
but they give me them curls.
Yeah.
Because
She's a pro.
or water pumpy. I just say when you call him rock.
In the lane.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Give me that. Give me little.
Space, let me walk.
You are a dog when you bark.
You crowding me, I can't
And it's a maddening.
crowd, no.
Yes, man, them guanso.
Them gone like crab in a barrel.
So everywhere you turn,
Them a quarrel. Man and man a war
it's
is
a-
a maddening crowd.
selector, DJ Ziggy. Napenda vile ngoma wanza firimbi. Yo, firimbi, firimbi. Mighty Paragons right now.
Give me a little space, let me walk. If you are a dog, hold your bark. You crowding me, I can't stand the maddening crowd, no. Them gone like crab in a barrel. Everywhere you turn, them a quarrel. Man and man a war in the maddening crowd now.
You know what? I don't want to be free. Hey,
Take a quiet walk
with me. Hey, so give me little.
let me be.
Oh you,
Give me a little breeze to breathe.
oh you,
Running's too hot for my feet.
oh you.
Boy,
Hey, they got to get away. Hey, oh you. Oh ya zig ya subuhi ngware. Ni aje bro. Bonzi. Me wake up in the morning. Me get up in the evening.
the maddening crowd. You get up in the night and the maddening.
Oh
You
yo.
get up in the morning, the maddening. Oh yo, oh yeah. I got to get away.
Niceness.
Oh yo, oh yeah. See you better go. Technology, man, it unclear. Civilization, they planted in the air. Rocks and spaceships flying everywhere. Tell people, don't you have no fear? In this a video. In this a video. In society, in this a video. Then you know what Jah has done for you. What Jah has done for you. Done for you, yeah.
said by the bird. In this time, miles increase on the earth. Telecommunication.
Yeah. So right someone now, the most valuable diamonds in reggae. This is my CD almost for you.
It's a video.
Robert Dover.
It's a video. Then you know what your eyes done for you. Your eyes done for you.
Ziggy.
Straight to a guy, bump on head, red and red. One come treat I rejectedly. But I'm on too culturally. No one I on MTV and things say you're done with me. It's a rude boy, a shuffling.
In your root boy Kidogo Sawa. You're a rude boy.
Back with your muffling again. Say rude boys can't think it again. Rude boys can't get.
Eh, masabwezi wakaekando kidogo ni ama rude boy.
Try to change and rearrange. Long time me there and no again.
Nice and easy.
When them hot like a flame. When them
DJ Ziggy. Selection na kampo.
Go to hell with your mix of a mood. Rude boy a shuffling.
Yeah. Rude boys can't king the reggae. In the meantime, Silip.
In the yard, St. Andrew Park, music a bubble, steamers a bubble, one chalice a bubble from morning to dark, and the fire upon the flower just a blaze up. In the yard, St. Andrew Park, music a bubble, steamers a bubble, one chalice a bubble from morning to dark, and the fire upon the flower just a blaze up. One thing to overs about Jamaica, we are the confidence of the African continent in Rastafari. No influence is greater, and the state of the nation is testament to why.
Yes, Sunday way there.
Suffer from disease of the mind, them of them.
To the selected Sunday Pon parts big up.
The blind, but the real black Madonna is the rightful divine, and the king and queen crown same time.
Mambo na bado song.
In the yard,
And kuna DJ Mix in my area.
music a bubble,
DJ Miansan is there same way.
one chalice a bubble from morning to dark, and the fire upon the flower just a blaze.
Niko na MC Benny Boy. Keep it a finest there same song. Niko Benny Boy once again, a long time.
From morning to dark, and the fire upon the flower just a blaze up.
Meanwhile, Ziggy. Listen. Viewer.
Change your mind
About what?
about leaving me behind.
Oh, bring it to me. Bring your sweet love.
Bring it down to me.
Somebody,
Yeah,
I tell you, yeah. You know what, Nairobi.
you know I've tried
Should do
to treat you right, but to
Send up late last night. Oh,
honey, bring it to me. Bring your sweet love.
aye.
Bring it down to me.
Somebody, Rico D. Again. It's all about Jamaica nights, Friday nights today. This is DJ Ziggy and Bouncy for the Ali Bounce man.
If you ever
Setting the mood for you and me.
your mind about leaving me behind, honey, bring it to me. Bring your sweet love
Hey, masanya kurembesha tanzina.
home to me. Yeah,
Yeah.
you know I've tried
Yeah.
I gave you jewelry.
Bonzi and money too. I hear it. Right about now. Sifa, she wanna come plus me. This girl.
Not because you're fat, you're fat, you're fat.
She wanna come brush me.
Not because you're fat, you're fat.
I'm toto pum pum.
You won't come tax me.
Pum pum gala.
But I'm a dreadlocks.
And I don't
buy fat.
Yes, I'm a dreadlocks.
And I don't buy fat.
Voila.
Not because you're fat, you're fat, you're fat. You won't come tax me.
Kuna ngoma sio kila DJ atakupigia brother.
You won't come tax me.
Which one he needs a Ziggy? Because it's a Ziggy. Sisfa.
Me lucky.
Iya pane ya kila DJ. DJ Ziggy.
Not because you're fat, you're fat, you're fat.
Else, she won't come
tax me. Not because you're fat.
Mana Rio there, super host, big up.
You won't come tax
I love the crew, Bazo, big up.
But I'm a dreadlocks.
And I don't buy spa. Yes, I'm a
dreadlocks. And I don't buy fat.
Mambo Bado Nairobi.
Not because you're fat, you're fat, you're fat.
Bakangwari.
You won't come tax me.
Ninare.
Not because you're fat, you're fat, you're fat. You won't come tax me. You say me lucky.
MC Biggie's there.
Me lucky.
Big MC Biggie.
You say me lucky girl. Me lucky.
Emotion.
Some guys would model fit that, but I don't buy fat. Some guys would model fit that, but I don't buy fat. Not because you're fat, you're fat, you're fat. You won't come tax me. Not because you're fat, you're fat, you're fat. You won't come tax me.
That's the only love I think is real.
Don't want to be going by something I heard. Cause baby action
Speaks louder than the words. Everybody now.
I want a love that is mine.
Oh my God.
In the rain it's always sunshine. A love to keep me warm when it's cold. That kind of loving that will never go. Don't you know
I wanna love. Yes, I wanna love it so nice girl. Don't you know?
Don't you know I wanna love?
To all the lovers in the dedication to you.
I wanna love.
One open down away.
I want the love I can feel.
A love I can feel. That's the only kind of love I think is real.
Don't want to be going back.
You are a wanted man.
Doing what?
Running away from the police.
So who are you?
You are a wanted man. Running away from the police then.
Sit down again, oi.
I know they want you to charge you for murder.
Shada, smoking with
intent.
What you do?
Robbery back ovation. I saw my brother also liquidating ball.
What you do?
Know what you gonna do after you done your acts?
What you doing, man?
Know what you crying for?
Bouncy killer. Means you know they about to catch you. I know they want to judge you for shada. Smoking with intent.
Rock me back attention. I saw my brother also little raging ball.
It's getting bits and bitter. Bits and bitter. Check how we do.
Early Sunday morning, it was a pick and chat my way. Inna the mud, me a pick and the bud and me a load them down in a tub.
Voila,
One by one, load up the fan.
Yes, sir. So remember, it's all about the early bounce. This is DJ Ziggy and Bones in a combo. Jamaica, another place to be every single Friday. Every single Friday, place to be Jamaica Night Sulfur. This is the only mouse in reggae. The man called Ika Mouse. Come again, DJ man. Ganja smuggling, man. Kidogo ni mapedi tena, to the Ganja smugglers. Only.
Early Sunday morning, it was a pick and chat my way. Inna the mud, me a pick and the bud and me a load them down in a tub. One by one, load up the fan. All of the ganja.
Sisi kama the early bouncers. Just set the mood for the night, man. Ika Mouse. Wale wa sisa niko na Kimberly in my area. It is so Perry. Killer flavor my area. Where's you are?
Down there in the ghetto, I hope your sufferation I once know. Mommy and daddy, all are we so poor. We all have to
MC Big is there. Ibambe, Ibambe.
blow down me door. Me happy nail up.
Our pretty so biggie.
Me shoes tear up. Me toe that a show. Me don't know how we feel really run.
Aha, dini dini kwani.
Mommy does a ball.
You got Biggie anytime. Kids Sona is an entertainment man.
Dang dang diddy dang dang diddy men den den den. When I'm in a mock coins, then I'm in den den coins. Dang dang diddy dang dang diddy men den den den. When I'm in a mock coins, then I'm in den.
So see.
For only you I so believe to be my future love, my dear. Because I need you tomorrow.
Oh yes, I need you tomorrow.
I never tried to let you down.
Imagine.
In no way believe me, my love. I always try to be so true. Because I need you tomorrow. Oh yes, I need you tomorrow.
So who are you?
You are my every little thing now.
How are you doing?
I got love I cannot bring now.
Listen, you are my every little thing.
I got love I cannot bring now. Seems around my friend wanna desert me.
Reggae, what's your sinner? Polite.
Gonna give you up. Because I need
Kiwarabu, Kisarabu.
Oh yes, I need you tomorrow.
Itubambe. You are my every little thing. She's playing hard to get.
Trying to get you right. For you're my only little choice that I wish to have by my side. Because I need you tomorrow. Oh yes, I need you tomorrow. Like a child I wait for you. For only you I so believe to be my future love, my dear. Because I need you tomorrow.
You know.
Oh yes, I need you tomorrow. You are my every little thing now. I got love I cannot bring now. You are my every little thing now.
Unaishi wapi?
Oh yes, I just can't let you go now.
Unaishi wapi Ziggy? Living where? In number 10.
Number 12 is the boy next door. Living on open street. I'm in love with the boy next door.
Bonsi.
Sitting in my bedroom.
I want me do. Me looking through the window.
Just want to see him as
Somebody's in love tonight, it's up to you. Bonzi, I'm in love with the girl next door. I'm in love and that's for sure. She's my ex-girl neighbor. And I'm in love with you.
He's my next door.
The customers always rights once again, man. Panta. Hey, tonight see the 1 to 5. Bokandi Odoba.
Living in number 10, number 12 is the boy next door. Living on open street, I'm in love with the boy.
Hapo mtani animeketi kwenye looking through the window.
Just want to see him as he passes by. Oh why won't he stop?
Usaipilana suits.
I'm in love with the boy next door. I'm in love with him, that's for sure.
Princess there.
He's my next door neighbor.
Right.
And I'm in love with him.
Of course I love you.
He's my next door neighbor.
And I'm in love. Princess Siggy, come down. Come in. Ay, 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 ay. You could have the Ross, girl.
You could have given me
a million reasons why. But what?
But it wouldn't change a thing.
I was to say, how you do?
You said it all.
And you
said goodbye.
Aya. You took off your wedding ring. Somebody's in low, talk to me.
I've been trying to get over you.
Yes, I'm trying, baby.
I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you.
In the woods,
it'll take time
to get it done. All about my friends, man.
All my friends
keep trying to piss me off. They say you needed somebody new.
When it comes to love, I've all but given up.
I keep alive.
Life don't mean nothing without you.
Super Goddamn Judy Boucher. I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending times alone. I've been
trying to get over you.
Unakumbuka Ikonya.
Take time to get it done.
We got cheapest collection them there. We gonna MC Blunts in the party, bigger Blunts. And everybody in the party, walk on.
I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you. It'll take time to get it done. I've been trying to get over you. I've been trying, I've been spending time
Okay, I'm a once bouncy. I'm a poor man.
And no one to call my own.
Imagine.
People are so funny, and I just can't go on.
Mighty callers, a helping hand
from someone who cares.
We need Nairobi.
I need an helping hand from someone who cares. God of mercy, look down on me. Cause every day I pray on my bending knees for you to send someone to give me an helping hand. For you to send someone to lay me on the stand.
My love, play the tape. I wanna know what's going on.
Yeah, man, we're talking about
the videotape. Let me see what's on the news.
You show me the tape. I wanna know what's going on.
The videotape. You see some crazy point of views. Whoa now.
So never knew love
could be so mean.
Every day a people falling
down like leaves,
and one man gets shots
because he dead.
Apoma gets on your way out in the streets.
They are taking a lot of
Lumbu yesa famba yesa.
Fire is so hot.
Fire.
Are we in a boiling pot?
Lumbu.
Oh now.
Never knew love.
Everywhere.
People
falling down like leaves. They play the tape. I wanna know what's going on. The videotape. Heads of states no longer dance. Show me the tape. I see nations on the move. The videotape. The rich and poor caught in a groove.
Right about now.
Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine. Give her my regards, tell her she's the girl of my dream. Tell her that I love her, want her to be by my side.
Tell her that you need her, cause I want you by my side.
Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my
DJ Ziggy, hata wewe unajua
regards whenever
ingoma wanza poa. Skiza. Ziggy, siko peke yangu. Ngoma inaanzaje? Once again. Super.
Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine.
I want support. This is Marco Body Isis right now. Give my regards. The girl in the black limousine.
Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine.
On a Friday night, give her my regards. She's a girl of my dream.
Tell her that I love her.
And you are lying. Tell her that I need her. Bunchi, what's about my side?
Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards.
Everybody.
Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine.
Taratibu mdogo mdogo.
Give her my regards and tell her she's to be my
Reggae. Yo. Right now, I don't know what to do. Oh, oh.
Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards.
I don't know what she did, but she make me feel this way.
Hey.
I don't know
what
she did, but I love it anyway. She is my sweet
cherry.
Oh,
Yeah, she is my sweet cherry. Every time.
this is done that I don't come. In the school, I don't know. Whoa, whoa.
No, I don't know what she did, but she make me feel this way. I don't know what she did.
MC Big Up, sings there, big up.
Anyway,
yeah.
She is my sweet cherry. Oh, yeah, she is mine.
Big up sketch there, same side. Big up. Select a step as there, same way.
She comes around, my whole world comes tumbling
Silver sounds them
Every
there.
time she comes around, my whole world come tumbling down. People saw me on the street, they think I'm a different man because of the way I flex. No, they just can't understand.
Everybody know
that I've got a woman to give me love more than I can stand.
I am Mambo Badu.
So if they see the change in me, it's more than I can
Ziggy Dots.
say. Cause I don't know what she did, but she make me feel this way. I don't know what she did, but I love her anyway.
Right now. You wrote me a letter saying soon come home. To the Sunday, baby. Right about now. Again, girl, when I got something to remind me. Oh yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Just imagine, but how can I forget you? When I've got something to remind me of you. Larry ndio Maso ndio Larry, Sibonzi ndio kila, kwani Solfa ndio launch, Jamaica ndio nights, Saidi ya nice hustler. Of you. When I got something to remind me of you. In the meantime, I love as lucky morning.
Lucky that in bushes long time ago. You have to work for what you want. Money, that is what you want. You go buy.
Who's what she? Wala. Yo DJ Ziggy. Kwa hiyo maisha kuna cha kuwa lucky brothers, ndio. Usipojituma utatumika na wanaojituma. If you know, komagi. Piga haso brothers sister. Hakuna cha kuwa lucky sawa. Jitume mtaani Rio. Usipojituma utatumika na wanaojituma. Where you are.
Hungry mouth we have to feed. Take for instance the other day, I worked so hard.
Ukishapata dozigi to have my wife and kids.
Man next door, he said, "Meet your lucky man."
No, there's no such thing as a lucky man.
Lucky that it wishes all the time.
King Lunatic Day, big down. Buddha Safari. Welcome here.
We go buy where we need.
I tell you,
Hungry mouth we have to feed.
somebody. Hello.
Look here, do good today, and the glory will come follow. Man, put your clean hand, and the glory will come follow. The generous hand, them shall see a better tomorrow. Even helping hand, and the glory will
Reggae out to Kenya right now. Big up your
see them around everybody.
say yeah. Reggae music in a tsunami.
And them around, they don't care about nobody. Every man, don't every
Sister.
got to fend for themselves, boy. They say that Jaja, only Jaja.
Reggae.
But I know that do good today.
Let's go do good today, man. Sunfest Peace Original. Okay, on the same style, on the same rhythm, same rhythm. Check how we go. Check how we bounce. Ziggy, Ziggy dance. All you want is a reggae, somebody.
Nowhere to find an open hand for the needy man.
Skin up your teeth with eye and you don't like the Rasta dread.
Red.
Jacob say we in a tenement, yeah, the bag of wolf, the monster dread.
Okay, somebody.
Licky, licky. So.
Licky, licky.
Lamba, lamba.
Aye. Ini ya ndugu nugu. Nugu ndugu. Them about Saba, Bombo class, blood class, pussy wall.
Skin up your teeth, eye and you don't like the Rasta dread.
Talk to them.
Jacob say we in a tenement, yeah, the
Ini mamblena kidogo wambie hivi mzani.
licky.
Laba, susu, adema bak Saba.
Licky.
Laba, yeah man, so deep. Deeper than the come on.
You wake your mouth like a 20 sword, me back bigger than your dad, boy. And now the dread when go crack you.
A long time ago.
Same night the stick the sheep.
At them the run.
Go ain't when go hang round no more. Ain't when go be no scapegoat.
Somebody living tonight.
Living the life you see
across.
Hey. One life is so
Holy
righteous. Holy righteous you see.
I gotta see this Zig and Bone Chicken in a combo. Sulfur Jamaican night. Daddy.
They stab you in the back. And then you say
she was looking.
they stab you in the back. Want to know what's cooking?
So big up Nairobi.
Put on your holy dress. Turn a church on Sunday.
Walk
to illicit
working from Monday.
From St. Thomas right down to Westmoreland. You itch up. In a hurry, minute van, tell me something why every little thing you go check. Oh, your man. Every little thing you can check. Check the oh, your man.
their homes away. Enough people live homeless while authorities clean up the mess. There's nothing much the people them could do. Flood water already passed through, causing major damage to land property and things in them storage. But here's the people that work so hard. Some rent, some lease, others buy them whole yard. Just as them start to feel comfortable, water come big trouble. Though so many die, for the most they are feeling